In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate personal and team tasks. This is a simple but really important habit that can make your work much clearer and easier to manage every single day. Let's start right from the main screen of your workspace. When you first open your task or project management tool, you'll usually see a menu or navigation bar along the left-hand side. Near the top of that area, look for a small home icon. This is often shaped like a little house and is usually labeled as home or something similar. Go ahead and click on that home icon on the left. What this does is bring you back to a central dashboard view. Think of it as your base of operations. From here, you can usually get an overview of both your personal responsibilities and your shared team projects. But right now, we want to narrow that down to just what belongs to you. Once you're on the home screen, look for the section or tab called My Tasks. This option is designed to filter everything so you only see tasks that are assigned to you personally. Click on My Tasks. When you do this, your view will update to show a list of tasks that belong to you and only you. This is where the separation between personal and team tasks really starts to become clear. Even though many of these tasks might come from shared team projects, this view focuses strictly on what you are responsible for completing. At this point, you can go through your list and mentally distinguish which items are clearly personal, like individual reminders or one-off to-dos, and which ones are part of a shared project. A helpful tip is to quickly scan the project names or tags next to each task. Items that reference a team project, a shared client, or a department are usually team-related tasks. Tasks without those references, or those that you've created directly in your My Tasks area, are often more personal. By consistently using the home icon to return to your main dashboard, and then clicking on My Tasks to focus on your own work, you create a simple, repeatable routine that keeps your personal workload visible and separate from the broader team activities. Over time, this helps you prioritize better, avoid missing deadlines, and stay clear about what truly needs your individual attention.